to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something very easy. It's lazy kitchen. We're going to cook a steak, a flat iron steak, because it's very popular. Ask your butcher, flat iron steak or feather blade steak is absolutely delicious. I want to show you how to prepare this. If you're not allowed to do this, ask your butcher, okay? We need, of course, a piece of flat iron, okay, is like this. Just a simple salt, pepper, butter, some garlic and fresh herbs, okay? We need very hot pan is already on, and what we're gonna do, I show you this. I do this because it's many years I do. You need a sharp knife, you know, between here in the middle there is a tendon, vein, nerve, I don't know how do you call this. We on the top of that nerve you start cutting. Basically this you're gonna divide in two, okay? Look, completely separate, okay? And continue. And this, guys, is the famous flat iron steak. You know, it's very tender. To be honest, it's not very soft meat, but it's very tender, okay? Trim a little bit. And this is the first one. We trim a little bit here. And it is the first. Later, you know, we have this fat on the bottom. The fat we take out. No fat. My knife is very sharp. You see? Like this. Easy. Perfect. You know, this we use for something else. Now we're gonna get rid of this. Okay, it's the nerve. And we start again like this. And basically we're gonna have two steaks. And his job is done. Look at that. Now the two steaks, they done. Now someone this even they butterfly, but I don't want. This gonna cook like this around 3.5 minutes per side. As the job is done. What we can do now? We add some salt, nice amount, like this, and some pepper. This is our job. Okay. Now we try add just a touch of oil, and we go in 3.5. Later if you like medium, up to you, maybe 4 minutes, or I don't recommend more, because more you cook, more stuff becomes. Now I wanna cook this 3.5 minutes per side. When I'm turning, I wanna show you, okay? Because later we're gonna add some garlic and herbs and butter, okay? See you in the 3.5 minutes. Okay guys, look at that, like caramelized. Now we turn it and we start to add some butter. Fresh rosemary, 1 garlic, with this butter. Now when this butter starts to melt, you know, it starts with that, okay? The smell already, guys, is super, okay? Leave it to cook now another 3.5 minutes with this side. And try to always with the butter, you know, put in the corner and put on the top. Put in the corner and put on the top, okay? Try to do this. If you need a little bit more butter, you can add, okay? Okay, see you when it's ready. Okay guys, for me this is ready. Oh look at that, fantastic. Now it's nice and ready. Oh look at that, beautiful. And now slice it. Wow, look guys, this is perfect. Look at that, fantastic guys. A little bit more salt and flat iron steak, man. Guys, absolutely delicious. Guys, flat iron steak is this. It's absolutely delicious. Guys, always if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Flat iron steak, amazing is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.